I just had some kings earlier. Feel me? Look, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm just everything just going good. You know what I'm trying to say, man. I've been mad slim. Feel me? I've been grinding hard in the gym in the lab. Feel me? Let me guess, you're top one in the DoorDash leaderboard. I think, bro. They don't even fucking have leaderboards in DoorDash, bro. Now I feel like you're being funny, bro. Now I feel like you're being funny. They don't have, bro. They don't have dashboards and leaderboards and fucking like, bro. Where are you getting this from, bro?